Learn how to declutter your YouTube channel and reclaim your digital space by removing unwanted videos with this Easy-to-follow guide. First, you'll need to access your YouTube studio once logged into your YouTube account. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. On the left-hand side menu, click on Content. This will bring up a list of all the videos you've uploaded to your channel, along with various management options. To delete a single video, simply hover over the video you wish to remove and click the checkbox that appears next to it. If you want to delete multiple videos at once, select the checkboxes next to each of them. You can also select all videos by clicking the checkbox at the very top of the list. Once you've selected your video, look for the Actions drop-down menu that appears above the list. Click on this menu, and then select Delete Forever. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Carefully read the message to ensure you are deleting the correct videos. As this action cannot be undone if you are sure, click on the Delete Forever button. YouTube will then process the deletion. You'll see a brief indicator while the videos are being removed. Once complete, the selected videos will no longer appear in your content list. And there you have it. You've successfully removed videos from your YouTube channel, helping you manage your content, address privacy concerns, or update your channel's focus with ease.